Good morning, everybody. Tuesday the 17th of February, about a half an hour before noon, working into the dead zone hour between now and 1:30. As you all know, Cream Pie City, Dow down 262, S&P futures off 28 points, NASDAQ futures off 41 points. Russell itself down about 15 3/4 points. We got Obama, your mama, coming in to save the housing industry later this afternoon in Denver. Let's take a look at the shorts that we put out last week before the long weekend and take a look at which ones are working best. I'll start with SKF, the ultra short on the financial sector, working very well today. Money stream way up through the rope with a nice ascent. Angle of attack as well, very good. Time segmented volume is strong. On balance volume is at the ceiling. Excellent support right now on SKF down in the area of about 151 to 152. And this is a stock that has incredible intraday swings. Not a stock, but an exchange traded fund. First target up from here on SKF comes in at the 172 area for a day trade. If we have a further meltdown this afternoon, we're probably going to see that number. Second area on a swing trade into the latter part of this week and into options expiration on SKF, 201.82. One of the better trades that's working in this session. By the way, the options to calls on SKF are too expensive for me to recommend. They're $35, $40 calls. The next great one, FAZ, is the triple short financials. Money stream, very nice through the rope. Angle of attack on money stream, straight moonshot. Look at time segmented volume and rate of change on time segmented volume. Moonshots as well, same comments on. On balance volume, excellent support right now on FAZ, down at the $53.54 area is our support. Targets on the way up from here on FAZ. First target up at 59.75, right in this area. A second target on FAZ on a swing trade takes us all the way up into the $75 area, and that might seem like quite a bit of a run, but keep in mind this is the triple short financials. If you want to call, and I don't know why you would because the common is moderately priced, but if you want to call, I'd look out to the April $60 strikes for FAZ. That is FAZDL, April 60s for this exchange traded fund. Since your administration is coming in to save the housing market later this afternoon in Denver, and I can call them your administration because I didn't vote for them, so that takes the blame off of me. SRS is the ProShares ultra short real estate exchange traded fund, and I'm sure as soon as the president signs that bill, the real estate ETF is going to tank further, bringing this one much higher. A bit of a doji star candle today, which would be troubling. However, all of this balance of power buying since December and all of this balance of power buying over the last 5 or 6 sessions tells me it's being accumulated in front of today's bill. Angle of attack on money stream is beautiful. Money stream itself is through the rope. Time segmented volume, a moonshot, as is unbalanced. On balance volume. Support on this exchange traded fund comes in at $67.54. We have to get through the 77.01 diatonic, and if we can get through that, it gives us a target for later this week, or maybe even today, $86.41. If you want to call on SRS, a call bringing it higher, go ahead and go in the money with the April 75 calls. Actually, one moment. Yeah, April 75's, symbol SKRDW. Last trade on that call was $15.70 for the April 75 on SRS. Go ahead and finish up with another index exchange traded fund today because there's no stock that I see anywhere that I would be trusting in this environment. SDS, the ultra short on the S&P 500, money stream through the rope, angle of attack good. I sound like a broken record. Time segmented volume clearing the zero latitude line. On balance, not much to talk about there. SDS, always good play though. And my feeling is for today is as long as we stay at this minus 200 level, minus 250, if we stay that way through 2:30 this afternoon, they're going to open the trap door. This market's going to fold up like a $2 suit. If we breach that November low on the Dow, and we came within 40 or 50 points of it this morning, the lemmings are going to panic and scurry over the cliff into the deep, dark abyss. SDS has decent support at $81.93 for now. Targets on the way up. Once we get through the $87.62 area, the swing trade over the next couple of days on SDS will take us into the $99.08 area. In the money calls on SDS for March is the SRJCG. Last trade on that contract, $12.20. Pretty affordable. Okay, there's 4 good trades for you for today. The balance of this afternoon session, maybe into tomorrow or Thursday. Reminder, expiration is going to hokey pokey and pass the peanut around on us for the next 3 days. As far as econ data, mortgage applications tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock. Housing starts at 8:30. Import-export at 8:30. Red Book at 8:55. Industrial production, 9:15. The oil status, petroleum status report at 10:30. On Thursday, PPI at 8:30. Jobless claims, of course. Leading indicators at 10. Philly Fed survey should be a good one. That usually rattles and rolls the market. And then natural gas at 10:30 again on Thursday. And Friday, of course, the all-important CPI. Being Dow now down 267. S&P futures off 29 points. Nasdaq off 4.5. Russell 6.4. Close test, don't hopeful. Good eye on that both the from November 21st. Now only 32 points on that number. Breach, I think it'll be later, but if that doesn't hold, I'm being repressed. I am Ambo. We got him. That's how I roll for 7th of February 2000.